Esophageal arteries. 8 questions and answers. Are esophageal arteries branches of the descending thoracic aorta? Yes, the esophageal arteries are branches of the descending thoracic aorta. From which aspect of the thoracic aorta do the esophageal arteries arise? The esophageal arteries arise from the front aspect of the thoracic aorta. How many esophageal arteries are there? There are 4 or 5 esophageal arteries. How do the esophageal arteries travel towards the esophagus? The esophageal arteries travel obliquely downward to the esophagus. Do the esophageal arteries supply the entire esophagus? No, the esophageal arteries do not supply the entire esophagus. What part of the esophagus is supplied by the esophageal arteries? Only the middle portion of the esophagus is supplied by the esophageal arteries. Do the esophageal arteries anastomose with other arteries? Yes, the esophageal arteries anastomose with other arteries. Which other arteries do the esophageal arteries anastomose with? Esophageal arteries anastomose with esophageal branches of the inferior thyroid arteries, ascending branches from the left inferior phrenic artery, and the left gastric arteries.